Can you go on a car camping road trip with 7 people and all of this stuff? This is the 2026 Model Y Premium with 7 seats. We got mom, dad, the 3 oldest kids and the 2 youngest. Well, what you saw in the thumbnail is actually not true. I don't have 5 kids, but I did bring a lot of stuff because this is the amount I believe 7 people would bring on a car camping trip. But honestly, I think there's absolutely no way that all of this fits inside this car. Because besides the 7 people that will be sitting inside, this room behind the seats is literally all we got. Or maybe there is more? First, let's go inside to show you the amount of storage room that we have in here. However, my goal is not to put anything of that stuff outside in here, because obviously when you're on a road trip, you want to have it comfortable in here, especially with 7 people. So we have 2 cup holders and this deep compartment. There's already stuff inside. Side pockets on both sides and then glove box as well. Then in the back, we also got those side compartments on both sides. We got seat pockets on both sides and we got a screen to watch Tesla camper videos. And then this thing here as well with 2 cup holders. However, when there are 7 people, here would sit my little sister. And then the third row. This is where it gets very interesting, especially for me as a tall guy. But I'll try to show you. So we can move the seats forward here like that. And now I can squeeze in. Squeeze is the right word here. I mean, actually, it's not too bad. I mean, of course, it's cramped, but also I'm 1.92 m, that's 6'4", so I'm definitely too tall for back here. I can close the trunk from here. Ah! Yeah. I mean, for kids, it's good. Okay, let the challenge begin. All of this has to go in here. We got charging cable, Tesla stuff, all the backpacks. Of course, for 7 people, you need to bring a lot of clothes. Then camping mats, other mattresses. We got 3 tents. We got sleeping bags for 7 people. Then this is actually the Tesla Air mattress for inside the car, because the kids will be sleeping in the tent and the parents are sleeping in the car. Then we got other stuff. We got 2 camping chairs, 3 hammocks, and this is something that I wanted to try for a long time. I'm here! Whew, okay, I found the ball. All right, there's a little surprise here because we actually have more storage room than just this. We have this massive sub-trunk. So I think I'm gonna start with the backpacks. On the side here, we can also put something. I'm a bit worried about those big backpacks. They are crazy. Here you can put this on the side. Yeah, easy. This one as well. Let's see if this big one fits on the side here. Yeah, I mean now with this thing, does that even fit? Oh, wow. Okay. Nice. I mean, I hope there is nothing in those bags that can break, but if it's just clothes, you could do it like that. Okay, let's continue with the big backpacks. This one is crazy, very big. There's still a big gap here. I think the hammocks, they are perfect for here. There's even more, maybe this pillow. Maybe here another mattress. This might be perfect. Let's have a look. Maybe help it a little bit. Nice. I can still see there is some room up here. So maybe from the inside we can push some stuff in here. All right, so this is quite full already. However, there's an issue. We still got so much stuff. If you've been watching my videos for a while, you know that electric cars, they don't have a motor in here. So therefore, we got more storage room. This is called frunk, and look at that, it's actually quite big. In the premium model, this one is much bigger than in the base model Y. In the base model Y, this is kind of tiny. And then in the Model X that I have, this is even bigger. So I absolutely love the frunk. But yeah, let's see, we still have a lot of stuff here. I am a little bit worried about the camping chairs because they take up a lot of room. So I'm gonna start with maybe the air mattress. It's already quite full. Then also the tent, 3 tents. And all of those sleeping bags, they take up so much room. But at least I can squeeze them in properly. This doesn't look like it would be possible, but let's just give it a try here. No, maybe too extreme. Maybe now. Yes. I mean, you can tell that it's not ideal because the lock is only in the middle, because it's bending here a little bit. But the bigger problem is we still have stuff. So yeah, maybe in the trunk we can put some more of that small stuff in. This one is what I'm worried about the most, because this one is big. So let's have a look. We got 3 more sleeping bags here. Yeah, let's just say the smallest one is only that tall, so then it works out. Ooh, okay. I just discovered another storage place here. Underneath the seat, what can we put there? Shoes, I guess. Maybe like that. This. I mean, this one is just a blanket. Let's say one of the kids will get cold, so we just leave it in the car. And this one, I mean, good enough. These are literally the last things that we need to put inside. Oh, and the camping chairs as well. I think that could work here. I mean, obviously you want to make sure to still have the seat belt, but I think that's okay. Nice. And then the ball, I think the kids, they need something to play with. So that goes in here. Helmet. Nice. And the backpack goes to the front, to the passenger seat, because it's important, there are diapers and stuff inside. I mean, there's still enough room, that's fine. And now the camping chairs. It looks packed in here, but I have an idea. So because we said the 2 smallest kids, they are in the 3rd row, I think it's okay to also put the chairs there. Because I think if they are here on the side, yeah, look at this. There's still enough room. I mean, poor kids, but theoretically it works. And this chair, maybe here, let's see. I mean, wow, look at this, that's awesome. We literally fit all the stuff that we had laying out here inside the 7-seater Model Y. You know what's also amazing? Those 2 videos, because these are the ones that YouTube recommends to you. So either keep watching something, don't forget to subscribe, and then I'll see you next Thursday. Bye-bye.